Okay, so the new Nano Banana has just been released, and it's Nano Banana Pro, and the word game changer has been thrown around in the AI space for so long and so frequently now, but this one truly is one of them times when it actually is a game changer. You can see over here just some pictures that we have. Here is before, which was the previous Nano Banana, and you can see the image is good. It looks kind of AI generated, but over here this image is indistinguishable that it was made by AI. It's absolutely insane. It has now become like human level photos. Over here is another image where this person would have uploaded a picture of themselves and said put me beside Messi, and you can see it creates an image that would be very, very difficult for you to be able to tell. And in this video, I'm going to give you 4 practical examples on how I've used it and how you can use it to your benefit. So firstly, to use it, you're going to come over here to aistudio.google.com, and this is where you'll be able to come over here and select Nano Banana Pro. Now in here, you will have to link an API key, which you can just press in here and either create one, which is very straightforward, or you can select an existing one. Now that we have that, we can start creating images. Over here, you can see some example images. Over here, we can select the aspect ratio. So like if I wanted it to go on TikTok, then I would choose this 9:16. If I wanted maybe a YouTube style landscape image, then I would choose this one down here. And then you obviously have these other different styles over here. You can also add system instructions, so you have a lot more variability on how it outputs the images. Now for me, the first use case is content generation. Over here on my LinkedIn, I recently posted this 3 days ago, and I gave it this prompt as in the whole LinkedIn post. I came over here to Nano Banana and I pasted it in here, and then I came down here and I said create a LinkedIn realistic style image for this post. And when I did that, it outputted this image right here, which looks extremely realistic, and it shows basically what we are talking about in the post. And as you can see down here, this post got 32,000 impressions within 3 days. So that's something that probably without this image on LinkedIn, I would not have got that result. It probably would have been around 5 to 10,000 impressions. With this Nano Banana image, you can see a lot of people are talking about the image down here and what's going on and the actual post itself. But it significantly increased the quality of this post, and that's why we were able to achieve a lot higher score. So how I would do that is I would come over here, and if you're posting on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, whatever, and maybe you wanted a thumbnail or you wanted a LinkedIn post, then I would put your LinkedIn post in here and ask it to create a realistic image. Or if you wanted a thumbnail, then I would give it some example thumbnails, and then I would put in your video ID or tell it what type of text you want to change, and then it will output that for you. Now the second example over here is going to be on Facebook Marketplace. Most businesses and e-com brands will post their ads on this, which is Meta or just Facebook's ad library, and you can see all of the ads that they have posted here. So for example, you can select the country. For us, let's just do all. And for the ad category, you can do all ads or issues, electronics, politics, etc. For us, let's do all ads, and let's imagine we are Nike, for example. It can be a smaller brand, but for example's sake, let's imagine we are Nike. We know that Adidas has been doing really well lately. We want to reiterate on some of Adidas ads that have been performing well. So over here, I would look up Adidas. You can see we have Adidas Originals, and you can see we have some ads here. Some of them were posted hours ago. Whatever, they have 43,000 ads posted at the minute. Let's say we like the look of this. Ad right here. It's been performing really well, and us at Nike, we want to copy this ad with one of our shoes because it's performing well. So what we would do is we would come in here. I would copy this image and I would bring it back over to Nano Banana, and I would get rid of this prompt and I would put in the image that we want to copy, and I say we are a competing brand and we want this style of ad for our shoes, which is attached. Let's say us at Nike, we want to do with these shoes right here. So I would copy this image and I would bring it back over to Nano Banana and I would paste it in here, and now we could press create a better version of this ad for us, and we can press enter. Now what it's going to do is it's going to analyze this image, use this photo, and output a really high quality human looking ad that we can use and that we've just copied from our competitors' leading ads, or the ads that are performing well. Okay, so over here you can see the output. Has the shoes on, looks extremely realistic. We can zoom in here and we can have a look. There's no real blemishes that we can see. And now this company has just created their competitors' leading ads for maybe a couple of cents, if even, maybe just 1 cent to copy their leading ads. That would be the second and probably one of the most valuable ways that e-commerce brands, or just any brand in general, can use this to their advantage. The third way will be over here, an infographic. An infographic is basically an explaining image, an explainer image of a bunch of text. So over here, I'm going to copy my website and I'm going to bring it over here to Nano Banana. I'm going to paste it in here and I'm going to say, create a neat infographic for my website. Don't overdo the text. Keep it relatively minimal. When we upload this, it's going to take in all of the information from my website and create an infographic for us, in which we could use anywhere on social media, in YouTube videos, maybe if I want to post it on my actual website to give people a rundown on what we actually do, then we could do it like that, or we could even include it in stuff like newsletters, marketing campaigns, etc. Okay, so over here you can see it has outputted the infographic. Work Ready AI, automating real estate admin, AI agents, Emily and Adam handle your admin, inbound inquiry, email or call. So this is basically exactly what we do here at my company, where we handle real estate agent lead. So you can see here, read the whole website, shows exactly what we do, and it outputs this clean explainer. Now this can be used for a range of stuff. If you are in the education space or the education tech, if you're a teacher, there's a wide range of people that could benefit from these infographics that will typically take a designer a couple of hours, or if not at least an hour, to make something as clean and as neat as this. Now the last use case, which is kind of like the e-com one or for the products, it's going to be more for like food trucks and food businesses, where they may not have the budget like McDonald's or KFC, and it may be a local business, but they want to start producing content, or they want to start making high quality images and videos of their food. We have an image right here, which is already a pretty good image. It's okay, it's high quality, but I think we can make this a bit better and more appealing. So I'm going to come over here to Nano Banana and I'm going to say, here is an image of my burger. Can you make it more appealing and have my brand logo in the background, which is Folio's Burgers. I'm going to put that image in here, and now as a small business you can create high quality images of your food or whatever product you have, and you can start posting it to your LinkedIn or to your Instagram or to your TikTok to bring in more revenue. So we can post this now. So you can see here it outputs some food. It's kind of in the same setting with Foley's Burgers in the background. I want it to and now we have a image outputted and it's in the same set, and I don't like the style of this image. It kind of just copied the first one and changed the background. I wanted to completely change it. I can tell it to do something else in just a normal text prompt, and we'll change this image to what we tell it to do. So I'm going to say here, I want to change the background and quality of the image. Think more food truck homey style that is appealing to burger lovers. We can put this in there now. Okay, so you can see the output now is the image of the burgers and the chips. It's homemade burgers in the background, so it completely changes the background. I'm going to copy this image. I'm going to come up here to select not Nano Banana Pro. I'm going to come over to the video selection and select VO2. We're going to switch the model now. I'm going to bring the image over here, upload an image, and we're going to upload that image that we just took. We had AI create, and I'm going to give it a prompt to make a video for this burger joint where the food falls in layers into place and make it visually appealing and realistic. So now we can give that prompt off, and it's going to create a video for us with the image that we just created on Nano Banana. Okay, so obviously the video is not the best quality. There's some small things that we would obviously want to change, but it gives you the general idea how as somebody with maybe a small budget can create some high quality videos like this that can be used anywhere for marketing, social media, etc. Now obviously you can use Sora 2, which is OpenAI's version of video making, which is a lot better, or you can use the VO3, which it doesn't have access to here, and they are the video models which would create this a lot better than what we've just seen there, but you get the general idea. And that's going to be it for this video. If you want to start an AI automation agency and scale it to over 100k per month like I did, click the first link in the description. But I just wanted to make this video so you could see the possibilities with this. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you want to see next.